Welcome to ICS Legal. We're excited to guide you through the process. This video is all about getting a sponsor license, a crucial step for businesses looking to expand their talent pool. I know it might sound boring, but it's really important if you want to hire people from other countries. A sponsor license allows you to legally employ skilled workers from abroad. It's a little tricky, but we'll help you navigate through the complexities. Our team is here to make the process as smooth as possible. We're ICS Legal and we'll explain everything clearly. From the initial application to the final approval, we've got you covered. We'll help you through each step, ensuring you understand every requirement and meet all the criteria. Want to hire skilled workers from outside the UK? Our expertise will guide you in making the right decisions. This video will show you how to apply for a sponsor license with help from ICS Legal. Stay tuned and let's get started on this important journey together. Okay, let's talk about what's involved. This might sound a bit serious, but don't worry. We'll break it down step by step. Getting a sponsor license is a special thing, not something everyone gets. It's a mark of trust and responsibility. It lets you hire skilled workers from other countries, which is great for your business. This can bring in new perspectives and skills, but you have to follow the rules. These rules ensure that everything runs smoothly and fairly. You need to keep good records and follow immigration laws. This means staying organized and up to date with all the necessary paperwork. Don't worry, it's not too hard. With the right approach, it can be quite manageable. It's like having a dinner party. You want to make sure your guests are happy and everything goes well. Just plan ahead, stay organized, and you'll be fine. Time to get your paperwork together. You'll need documents to prove your business is real. Things like your business registration, insurance, and tax documents. This shows the UK Visas and Immigration Office that you're a real trustworthy business. Now let's go online. Go to the UK Visas and Immigration UKVI website. You'll find the sponsor license application there. Be very careful and check everything twice. Even a small mistake can slow things down. Let's talk about money. There is a fee. Think of it as an investment. Smaller companies pay £536 and larger companies pay £1,476. It's not much for the chance to hire talented people from around the world. You've applied and paid. Now comes the hard part. Waiting. It can take up to 8 weeks. UKVI might visit your business to check everything. Don't worry if you've followed all the steps. Finally, you'll get an email saying your sponsor license is approved. Congratulations, now you can start hiring those talented people you want. Time to build a great team. That's how you get a UK sponsor license. It's a process that requires precision, attention to detail, and a thorough understanding of the legal requirements. See, it's not so bad. With the right guidance and support, you can navigate the complexities with ease and confidence. But if you need help, talk to ICS Legal. Our team of experts is here to assist you every step of the way. We'll help you with everything and answer your questions from initial application to final approval. We've got you covered because paperwork can be a hassle. We understand the challenges and are here to make the process smoother for you. Need help? Visit ICS Legal for help with your sponsor license. Our website offers a wealth of resources and information. We'll make it easy for you. With our expertise, you can focus on your business while we handle the legalities. Visit www.i6legal.co. Apply for your sponsor license today. Let us be your partner in achieving your business goals.